Hey guys, it's Davin here at Brewbits. Now, one of the questions I thought I would really quickly answer that we get asked quite regularly is to do with the wine kits. Now, it doesn't matter which wine kit you get, you tend to find in the box you've got a big bag of grape juice. This is a really big bag of grape juice from one of our Vineco kits. So how do you get this little yellow cap off? Well, it doesn't unscrew, you can't pull it off. So the way I've found of doing it is by getting a little knife. You can get in on this side here, James, I wonder if you can see this. Ooh, you can cut in ever so slightly. You need to wiggle it, and then your knife will pop in, and then it just pops like that. I don't know if you caught that, James. It's just a little pop, and there you go. The cap is off. And now you can pour that into your fermenting bucket nice and easily. I'm not going to use that for the moment, so I'm going to clip it back on. But that is simple and easy of getting this little yellow cap off. So I'm going to get a knife, get it in, give it a little jemmy, off it pops. There you go. So you can get brewing now.